Hello everyone, this is Ahmed from PenPy Technology, and in this video we will be explaining how to create an installation media for Windows 10. This process will require internet access and a flash drive as big as 8 GB at least. A word of caution here, please make sure the flash drive is empty because this process will destroy any information on that flash drive. Now let's dive in. First, we download the download tool by navigating to Microsoft Windows download page. The link will be on the screen and in the description of the video. Then, we download the tool by clicking on this button. And while it downloads, I will explain why we need it. This application will download and create a flash drive that we can use to start up the computer and install or upgrade it to the required version of Windows 10. Please note that you need to buy a valid Windows license in order to activate Windows after the installation is done. At the time of this recording, you can get a copy for as low as $22 for Home Edition and $28 for Pro Edition. I will add affiliation links in the description if you need to buy one. So now that the application is downloaded, let's start it. Windows should ask for the administration permission. I say yes. And the application should be starting shortly. The application takes a bit of time to start, so let's wait for it. And once it starts, it will display the license agreement. Okay, so we will accept the license. I will pretend I read that for now. You should read it, by the way. Legally, it's a binding contract. The application takes even more time, but once it starts, it will be asking me whether I want to upgrade the current PC or I create a USB flash drive, which is the option that we want to demonstrate today. I know you might want to upgrade an existing PC, but the flash drive is more persistent. You can use it for more machines, not just once. If you use that option now, if you need to set up another machine, you will have to re-download everything from the website. So I would advise to create an installation media and keep it on you for future use. So we press next. Here it detects the architecture of your system and language. Let's say I want to use a different local language. I can change it now. But I have to unclick this option. Also, I can choose either 32-bit or 64-bit architectures or both. Just a word of caution, both will download significantly more data to your flash drive. For our purposes, I will choose for this machine only. So next, here it requires the flash drive, or if you need to burn it to a DVD, or maybe you are using virtual machines and want to use an ISO, you would choose the second one, but we need a flash drive, so we'll choose this and go next. It detects our drive. This is the drive that I have in my laptop, and we will be using for this media creation. Next. From here on, it's downloading. It will take a couple of hours, maybe more, depending on the speed of your internet. I will stop the recording and I see you when it's ready. Okay. Back. It's been over an hour on my side. And it's reaching 99%. I believe next it should be done with the download, and from there it will probably start installing everything, actually unpacking everything to the flash drive. Yes, it starts now, so don't get impatient. It's not a bug. It reaches 100% and then starts again this way, but it's a bit faster It takes around half an hour from here on. So be patient and wait for it to finish this step as well. I will pause again and see you in a while. Hey, welcome back. It's almost done. It took around 20 minutes to unpack the whole thing. It should clean the temporary files afterwards. And oh, it's done. So we click finish and our installation media is ready. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and join us in the future for more technology videos. PenPy out.